guys, it's Eden. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we are going to be doing a very exciting video. We are going to be unboxing a new MacBook Pro. I'm so excited because I've been wanting a MacBook Pro since I think I was 8 years old. It's a great laptop, especially for video editing, graphic design, and all that stuff. And it's just going to be a great laptop to help me through life and get me to where I want to be and what I want to do. Also got a 2 terabyte hard drive, which is going to be great because with online school I use up a ton of storage, and so 2 terabytes is definitely needed, but I don't want to spend like $7,000 to get a MacBook Pro that has 2 terabytes on it. Before we get much further, I do want to just say, make sure you guys check out my other social medias. They're on the screen right now, and they're always down in the description box as well. It'd be great if you guys want to go check those out. Okay, another thing I do want to quickly mention is I did get my hair lightened. Another quick little thing before we get on started is I just want to say the specs I got, because I was watching a ton of MacBook Pro reviews for video editing, and I just wanted to let you guys know because not many people actually say what specs they got. So I got the MacBook Pro Silver Retina 13-inch, if you guys are wondering. 2.3 gigahertz of dual core. I believe this is the 2018. I do not know for sure. It might be the 2017. But it does not have a touch bar because it would drive me nuts not to have that delete button and the escape button, and so I just did not get the touch bar. It has 8 gigabytes of RAM, and it has 122 gigabytes of solid state drive, and then of course the Intel i5 graphics. Alright, I got my scissors. Let's unbox this. Go away. I know I just got, oopsie, that did not go well. I know I just got another laptop, but a little quick thing I do want to note is that that laptop crashed on me 2 months into me having it, and so I returned it because I'm not about to have a laptop that's overheating and crashing mid-editing, and so I know I haven't uploaded in like 3 weeks, and I freaking hated that. I cannot edit on a phone. I do not know what it is about it, but I am not capable of doing that. And so I wanted to wait until I could get another laptop and to get my refund. Alright.
So pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay.
Okay, now how do I get this out? That's the real question. I also wanted to say I did pay for this I did pay for this completely by myself, and here it is! Oh my gosh, okay. I'm so excited, and it's great, and I'm probably gonna get a case. Okay, here we go. Yeah. This is the fun part. Yes! Yeah, so I know I said that I highly recommended the QA MacBook, and I do take that back because it kept crashing and everything. So, yeah. So here's the actual laptop. It is so pretty. I got the silver because I like the silver. Then we have the little charger. I just have the little stickery thingies, and I do love the stickers, so I'm going to keep those. Of course, we just have the great charging brick that I do not ever know how to open. And so I'm struggling again. Okay. The charger. Great. Okay. That's nothing new, but we just got these 2 little accessories. I'm probably going to get a case sometime or another, but yeah. I'm super excited to be using Final Cut Pro because I've been using Wondershare Filmora for the longest time, and it just always crashes and it's annoying, and so I'm done with it. I'm going to just open it up. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty! It's not even on yet, but it's so pretty. And smells like new technology, and I love it. I've never actually have used a MacBook device or a Mac device in my life, and so, oh, okay. Yeah, I love the keyboard. This might be the first time you've ever heard somebody liking the keyboard, but I do like the keyboard. Okay, I'm gonna plug it in, let it charge a little bit because I don't think it is charged. So yeah, I actually do have another video that's a back to school video about how I keep track of my homework. That will be coming next week or on Wednesday, depending how fast I can edit. So yeah, I get excited. I filmed that like 4-ish weeks ago, right after I filmed my last video that I went up. But of course, like I said, my computer crashed. I was not able to get to the interweb because I didn't even export. Right as I pressed export, my computer crashed and it was annoying. So let's hope this computer is better. I do have my hard drive to unbox it too. So I wanted to do the actual MacBook first because I know lots of people get annoyed when you don't get straight to it. My brother was actually saying that he gets so annoyed when people don't get straight to the point, and so I'm not gonna lie. I did not do that in my Apple Watch unboxing. I kind of talked about everything. And I know lots of people did not like that, and so I'm just gonna be talking as I unbox it this time. I love it already. It's so pretty. Yeah, so this 2 terabyte thing is gonna be helpful because I type up all my notes on Microsoft Word, and so yeah. It is heavy, but I know that lots of people use this. This is the lacy one. I'll have a link down in the description box. I link everything down there, so if you ever are wondering about something, it's usually down in the description box. So check that first. That is that. Oh, I love that. I love the keyboard, guys. I absolutely do. So yeah, that is all I have to do today. I just wanted to make a quick little video and talk about how annoyed I was and why I was gone. And I know that lots of people love unboxings and they're pretty popular too, so that doesn't hurt anybody there as well. I'm gonna be completely real with you guys. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you like unboxings, then I should do more of them when I get things. Definitely subscribe if you want more videos like these, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!